Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got the Craft Consortium Christmas Market 3D decoupage little tiles, if you like, that you can use onto little cards. So you could use them as a 4x4 card or bigger than that. So this is very old school decoupage, or what I know is old school decoupage, not the original decoupage with all the glazing and stuff. But this is sort of the craft industry took off years ago with this sort of three-dimensional images that they call decoupage. So this is basically all the pieces are in this kit. I think there were 10 sheets, 2 designs of each, and you got everything you needed to create 10 tiles, if you like, or these little 4x4 sized squares with these beautiful snowy snowmen images. And so I did one of them just to show you that you put little foam pads on the back of each layer. It all came in the kit. It was in one of the Simon Says Stamp kits recently, and I just think these images are beautiful. I love the colors, the images themselves, the little scenes, just stunning. So I thought we'd make five cards. I don't know what the snapping of the finger was, I don't know. And I'm going to do A5 I'm going to do 5 A2 cards. So I have my main white card bases, which are A2. I then had 5 first layers, so in a turquoise color. This is just craft cardstock from my stash. We're going to use the Christmas Cheer stamp set for the sentiment, which I'll show you in a minute. So the turquoise layer is, I think this was 4 by 5 1/4, so 1/4 inch smaller than the front of the card. And then the little squares of pink, again, it was a pink that kind of matched with the images. That's where I took the color inspiration from. Is just slightly smaller than that, but in a square form. So this is about, I want to say this is maybe 3 7/8. I don't know, a teeny tiny, like an 1/8 of an inch smaller than the width of the turquoise cardstock, which is 4 inches. And then it means that the little squares of decoupage will fit nicely inside that square. So in the stamp set Christmas Cheer, there is a banner, and there are a few sentiments that actually are shaped already to sit inside that banner. So I grabbed all of them, and I will make cards with a variety of sentiments in there. And so in this sort of section of the blue, the turquoise section where there's no pink, I used that as a way to just add my sentiment in there. And you can add a ton of other things to this. You don't have to just have that sort of empty space. You can add other bling and layers of cardstock, whatever you want on there. But I kept it kind of simple because I think the decoupage itself is very detailed. Not just the images themselves, but also the fact that there's decoupage. So they definitely took me back some when I made these, but it's the colors and the images that just, I had to make them. Normally I would have, in fact I've got half the kit left, so I will probably give that to my mum because she loves doing this sort of thing. So anyway, so once I had that layered and stamped, I am then just layering this onto the card base, and then using some double-sided tape to stick these onto the card base. I lost my words there, which is unusual for me. And you'll see that the little squares of decoupage just fit nicely into that pink, and it just sort of draws your eye into it. So once I'd done that, I finished off all 5 of them, which I'm going to show you now, doing exactly the same thing. I just used a slightly different sentiment. So we've got Season's Greetings, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays was the other one. So you get all 3 of those in the stamp set, and I just think they're really quick, easy cards to make. I could have just done them as little 4¼ by 4¼ cards, but I thought, you know what, it's Christmas, why not? I mean, it's January, but you know what I mean. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys, and until next time, bye for now.